Artėja naujieji metai. New Year is coming. Ar jūs turite naujametinį pasižadėjimą? Do you have a New Year's resolution? Pavyzdžiui, mano naujametinis pasižadėjimas yra My New Year's resolution is kasdien skelbti vieną mokomąjį vaizdo įrašą. To post an educational video every day. And what about you? What are your resolutions for the coming year? Maybe to learn English? Tada taip ir sakykite. My New Year's resolution is to learn English. Arba išsirinkite kitą variantą. Pavyzdžiui, My New Year's resolution is to exercise more often. My New Year's resolution is to lose weight. My New Year's resolution is to quit smoking. My New Year's resolution is to read more books. O gal dar kažkas? Maybe something else? Write your sentence in the comments. Parašykite savo sakinį komentaruose.